Good morning, everyone, especially to you, Ma'am Crisani Katil. So we are the Group 2, and today we're going to discuss about the three types of media codes. So first, let me introduce you myself first. I am John Mark J. Berhami, and this is Miss Gwen Bao. So now let's begin. So our topic for today is about technical, symbolic, and written codes. So objectives. At the end of this presentation, you should be able to define technical, symbolic, and written codes, identify examples of each media code, and analyze how media codes influence the audience. So, what are technical codes? So, who among you have an idea about what is technical codes? So, anyone? Mr. Jobel, do you have an idea what is technical code? Okay, thank you. So, technical codes are the techniques used in producing media to create meaning and drive the audience's attention. So, here's the examples of technical codes. We have camera shots, camera angles, lighting, sound and music, editing, and transitions. So first, camera shots. So camera shots, for example, a close-up camera shot focuses on a person's face to see their emotions clearly. And then next, the camera angles. So camera angles can affect how we see a person or object. For example, a low-angle shot can make a person look powerful or important. Then next, the lighting. So lighting can create a certain mood. For example, bright lighting can make a scene feel happy, while darker lighting can make it feel serious or mysterious. And then next, the sound and music. So sound and music can affect our emotions because a music can make it feel exciting, suspenseful, or emotional. And then next, editing and transitions. So the editing, this is how the scene are edited together. So next. So before we proceed, what are technical codes again? Hey, Mr. Justin J. Abanan.
Codes are techniques that is used to produce media to create the meaning. Example is camera shots, camera angles, sound and music, editing and transition, and lighting.
Okay, that's correct. Thank you, Mr. Justin J. Havana. So, in short term, technical codes are the production techniques used to produce media by examples, the camera shots, camera angles, lighting, sound and music, and editing and transitions. So here's the example of camera angles. There are eye level, so it only shows the eye, and then the low angle. So the camera is under the 3 months. Next, the high angle. So as you can see, it is far from the people, Then the height level. So the camera is hanggang dito lang sa kanyang binti. Then the knee level. So the camera shows only the foot of the people. Then the ground level. The camera shows the ground. Next, the shoulder level. So the camera shows only the shoulder. Then the Dutch angle. So it looks like hiwi. Then the overhead mura. Okay, aerial. So those are the examples of camera angles. So next, what are symbolic codes? So do you have an idea about what are symbolic codes? Okay, Miss Casey.
These are visible signs.
Wait lang.
These are visual signs or things that give meaning to the audience.
Okay, thank you. So, symbolic codes use visual elements to represent ideas, emotions, or meanings. So, examples of symbolic codes, they are colors, clothing, facial expressions, body language, setting or location, and objects and location. Objects and symbols. So, the colors, for example, the color blue and the color red. So, the color blue can represent as trust and calmness, while the color red can represent as love, excitement, or danger. And then next, the clothing or costumes. So, in the scene, when people, like for example, there are people wearing uniform. So uniform represents as a worker or a student, right? That's the clothing. Next, facial expressions. So facial expressions, I guess you already know what is that. So like happy face, sad face, or yeah. And then next, body language. So I guess you already know that too. Body language like waving. So it means hi, di ba? And then thumb. Okay. That means okay. Next, setting or location. So setting or location, that is the place where the advertisement is being created. And then next, the objects and locations. So, here, objects and locations, so it is not locations, it is a symbols. Namali lang siya. Objects and symbols. So, like for example, the heart. So, heart symbolizes as love, di ba? And then, dove. So, dove symbolizes as freedom, right? So, that's the symbolic codes and its example. Okay, we have here an examples of advertisement for symbolic codes. So these are the examples of advertisements for symbolic codes.
Pond shampoo is now there. Use Sunsilk with active infusion. With oils, vitamins, and proteins in every drop. Para all day smooth and hair. Na may bang nakakagigil, walang makakapigil. New Sunsilk.
Next.
You're exactly right.
The scrolling down will only bring you down. Coca-Cola Coke time.
So, symbolic codes that are present in Sunsilk. First, it is shiny and smooth hair. So, shiny and smooth hair symbolizes health, beauty, and confidence. The bright or vibrant colors, such as pink, yellow, or black, depending on the product variant. So, it symbolizes freshness, energy, or elegance. Next, smiling, confident models. So it symbolizes self-confidence and happiness. The term active infusion symbolically suggests advanced science and deep nourishment, even though it is also a product Future. Picture. Next. So, in Coca-Cola naman, so the red color symbolizes energy, excitement, and passion. A cold bottle with ice or condensation symbolizes refreshment and satisfaction. People sharing a cup symbolizes friendship, togetherness, and happiness. Next, smiles and laughter. It symbolizes joy and positive experiences. Next, the Coca-Cola logo. It symbolizes the brand's identity and its association with celebration and shared moments. Next, the written codes. So, kung you have an idea or know about what is written codes? Anyone? Okay, Mr. Kenneth Loyola.
For me, a written codes, it is the way to it uses the words or slogan to hook the attention of the audience. Like for example, kanang like phrase or slogan yun nga para gyud mahuk ang audience kay para mo palit yun sila sa product.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Kenneth. So, in other words, written codes use language to communicate information and persuade the audiences. So, examples of written codes. We have headlines, captions, slogans, puns, logos, and persuasive words. So, in headlines pa lang, we can already know the message of the product they show, and then it can already attract the audience attention. Next, the captions. So, captions gives additional information and explain the images or the videos shown in an advertisement. Next, the slogans. Slogans are short phrases that help people remember the brand or the message. Next, fonts. So fonts create different impressions. For example, serious-looking font can make a message feel formal, while a playful font can make a message fun. And next, logos. So logos like Nike. So the logo of Nike, diba, check? So that's the logo there. Next, persuasive words. Persuasive words, these are the words that will attract and convince the audience. So the purpose of that is to convince them to buy your product. Okay, before we proceed, there are examples of written codes like headlines, titles, captions, speech bubbles. So they're already done. So, comparing the three media codes. Technical codes include camera shots, camera angles, lighting, music, and editing. Symbolic codes include colors, clothing, symbols, facial expressions, and setting. Written codes include headlines, captions, slogans, fonts, and logos. Next. So, here are the summary. Technical codes are the special codes used by professionals to share information clearly. Example, computer code, medical abbreviations. Next, symbolic codes. So, symbolic codes are the symbols or signs that represent ideas or messages. Example, traffic signs, images, and logos. Next, written codes. So written codes are the words, letters, and punctuation used to communicate through writing. Example, books, emails, and text messages. So we have here an example advertisement.
I grew up with Milo. As an adult, it's still an essential part of my daily diet. Milo gives me the nutrition of milk and the energy of milk to power through my day. Milo, I just love it.
Advertisement analysis. Analysis the following: the technical codes, symbolic codes, and written codes. So the technical codes, the advertisement uses wide and full shots to show the athlete and his movements. The bright lighting and active scenes make the advertisement look energetic and exciting. The camera also shows the Milo product clearly. The symbolic codes, the green color represents the Milo brand. The athlete sports activity and active movement symbolize energy, strength, and an active lifestyle. The written codes and the slogan, energy to go further, is used. It supports the idea that Milo gives energy and encourages people to continue and do their best. So here are the guide questions. First, what camera shot is used? So a wide shot and full shot are used to show the athlete and his movements. Number 2, what colors stand out? The green color stands out because it is strongly associated with Milo. The bright colors also make the advertisement look energetic. The third one, what slogan or headline is used? So the slogan is energy to go further. Number 4, what message is the advertisement trying to communicate? So the advertisement communicates the Milo can give energy and encourages people to stay active, keep moving, and do their best. Interactive activity. Advertisement detective. Directions. Analyze the advertisement shown on the screen and identify the 2 technical codes, 2 symbolic codes, and the 2 written codes. So, 7. Volunteer. Directions. Analyze the advertisement shown on the screen and identify the 2 technical codes, symbolic codes, and the 2 written codes. But atong Milo ganina nga gi-show. Balik ganito. Ay, so kami mag-analyze. Analyze ganito. Pero,
I grew up with Milo. As an adult, it's still an essential part of my daily diet. Milo gives me the nutrition of milk and the energy of malt to power through my day. Milo, I just love it.
so, motto. Advertisement detective. So, you are going to be a detective. The directions, analyze the advertisement shown on the screen and identify the 2 technical codes, 2 symbolic codes, and the 2 written codes. So what are those? Okay. So kami na lang ang mag-provide sa answer. We proceed. Okay. Do you have an answer? Depende.
So, ako kay sa 2 technical codes kay sa camera angle or sa camera shots. So, wala ko kabalo sa katong English nga term nga basta katubit ang face ray ang nakita. Dayon ang iyang body.
Kuan, kato close up camera siya.
Basta ka na ang iyang face mo nakita, dayon ang iyang pong body.
Okay, thank you. Kenneth, basta.
Ako napansin sa 2 symbolic codes, ang color o ang facial expression niya. Mas na-highlight ang color blue. For me, it shows calmness, and for his facial expression, kanang it shows nga motivated kay siya, nga porsigido kay siya mag-train, ganon. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Go. Okay, Mrs. Morales. Yes.
The 2 written codes that I
What we observe?
observed is the energy to go further, the slogan, and then the Milo, because Milo is represent the Milo is their Squad, they're logo na siya dong or slogan nagyapon na.
Headline.
Headline? Oh, headline daw.
Are you sure?
So,
These are the answers. So the two technical codes in the Milo. So number one, wide or fall shot. It shows the athlete's body and movements during the sports activity. Number two, the bright lighting. It makes the advertisement look energetic, active, and exciting. Then the two symbolic codes shown in the advertisement in Milo. First, the green color. So the green color represents the Milo brand and is associated with energy and activity. Number two, the athlete or the sports activity. So it represents strength, energy, movement, and an active lifestyle. Okay, next. And the two rated codes. First, the energy to go further. So that is the main slogan of the advertisement in Milo. Number two, the Milo brand name or the logo. It identifies the product and reminds viewers what is being advertised. Okay, next. Oh, okay. Simple answer for sharing with the class. For the two technical codes, I identified the wide or full shot and bright lighting. For the symbolic codes, I identified the green color and the athlete doing sports. For the written codes naman, I identified the slogan, energy to go further, and the Milo brand name and logo. So these codes help make the advertisements look energetic and show Milo as a product connected with an active lifestyle. Okay. So here in the summary. Okay, anyone read this? Okay, Miss Rima. Read the summary.
Summary, key points. Technical codes are production techniques. Symbolic codes communicate through visual symbolics. Written codes communicate through language and text. These media codes work together to influence audiences and communicate messages effectively.
Okay, thank you, Miss Rima. So, balik na. So, technical codes are focuses on production techniques. Then, the symbolic codes communicate through visual elements. Then, the written codes communicate through language, text, and words. So, even although they are different, but the three media codes work together to persuade and convince the audience. Okay, now let's go. Let's make a recap for you to understand better. So the three media codes are technical codes, symbolic codes, and the written codes. Okay? Anyone explain what is symbolic codes? Pero Dylan. What is symbolic code?
go.
Use visual elements that represent ideas, emotion, or meaning.
Okay? Thank you. Symbolic codes use visual elements to represent ideas, emotions, or meanings. That's the symbolic codes. Then next, let's talk about the technical code. So, do you have an idea? So what is technical code again? Other hand? Other hand. Lorraine. Other hand. Technical codes. What are technical codes again?
Christine Jane.
Okay, Cherilyn. What are technical codes again?
Technical codes are the techniques used in producing media to create meaning.
Okay, correct. Thank you.
Di ba?
So, in simple terms, technical codes are the techniques used in producing media to create meaning and guide the audience's attention. Next, written codes. So, what are the written codes again? Okay, bato-bato pick ko. Isa na una ninyo. Sige, Jemba, ando rin. Bato-bato pick mo. Okay, dali.
Ano ipabatupik man na mo
Sir,
ngayon na magbuo?
nag-ilog sila.
Ano, pwede na kayo mareklamo? Hindi ako.
Okay, tara nga ninyo. Okay, balik. Tara nga. Sige. Bato pick mo. Isa answer, sige. Ang matawag mo yung answer, sige. Bato, pick. Ang tawag sinunod. Okay, Noreen? What are written codes again? What is written codes again?
Written codes are the words and text.
Again, next. Again, use mic.
Written codes are words and text used in media.
Okay, thank you, Noreen. So in simple terms, written codes are the text and the words used to communicate information and persuade the audiences.
Kami mag-work convince na
Okay, that's all. That's all. So next, we're going to have an activity. Sige, let's start. Sige, ay wait lang. Okay, number 1, 2, and 3.
in any order.
In any order, what are the 3 types of media codes?
Masikog na lang ang mga kalendata.
Okay. Sige. Wala pa. Again, what are the 3 types of media codes?
Wrong spelling. Dapat K.
Okay, number 4. It is the code that uses techniques in producing media to create meaning and guide the audience's attention. Again, it is the code that uses techniques in producing media to create meaning and guide the audience's attention.
Enable techniques para sa nag-equal yung sharing.
That's number 4. Okay, done? Sige, number 5. Number 5. It is the code that uses visual elements that represent ideas, emotions, or meanings. Again, it is the code that uses visual elements that represent ideas, emotions, or meanings.
Number 4.
Again, it is the code that uses visual elements that represent ideas, emotions, or meanings. Okay, let's proceed to number 6. It is the code that uses language to communicate information and persuasive audiences. Again, it is the code that uses language to communicate information and persuasive audiences. Okay, number 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Give two examples of technical codes. Give two examples of technical codes. That's 7 and 8. Number 7 and 8. Two examples of technical codes. Isagun sa basta example. Okay. Continue, number 9 and number 10. Okay, number 9 and 10. Give two examples. Give two examples of symbolic codes. Pwede ra ka to bitaw na or pwede ra isa dito. Katong na or pwede ra isa. Panglitan ka tong so to? Panglitan ka ng sound and music. Ay, dili. Katong setting or location, pwede na setting. Tawag, yapan na niyo ang third. Lalabot na ng setting or location, lalabot. Example ra, kana setting or location, pwede ra setting. Or pwede ra po location yung answer. Ano ba? Pero ayaw to niya yung answer ha, kaya giyatag na lalabot. O, 10 na tama. O, 10 na tama. Kulo ka codes o isa ra?
Isa lang, mamili lang.
Okay, isa ra ka codes. Mamili ra mo dito and explain. For example, katong technical codes. Unsa man to siya, na explain mo. And it's example. Isa na ha, isa. 11 to 20. Mamili ra mo sa katong 11 to 20, isa ra na. Mamili ra mo sa tulo ka media codes ug asa inyong ikuan dito, answer. Oh, kami kuha gyud ninyo ang iyang exact nga point. Nako inyong points i-include ninyo ang kuan ang iyang mga examples. 20. That's 10 points. 20. Isa na inyong pilihan na to ha.
Example, magdaday.
Sa yung mag-choose na ka sa technical